Want to make your music taste or podcasts private? In this video, I will show you how to make your playlist private on Spotify. So to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Spotify app. So we will enter to Spotify. In this page here, let's create a playlist first. For example, you can choose any window here. For example, any song you want or podcast. Let's choose this one or anything you want. It's just an example. Here in this page, you can choose any music or song you want. Then we click here on these three dots. After that, in this page, what you will have is add to playlist. So you will click here on this page of add to playlist. After that, you can add it to new playlist or on this playlist that you have before. So let's choose to add it to our playlist. Or you can click here on new playlist and you can change the name. For example, song 2 here, and then we click on create. When you create your playlist, you will go here to this sign of library. After that, you will find all your playlists. You will go to this window here. So we'll tap on this window. As you see here, you will find this sign of public. So this playlist is on public. So to know how to make it private, you have to click on these three dots on this playlist that we saved. After that, in this page, you will scrolling down until you find this window here, and you will click on make playlist private. So you will tap on make playlist private, and then here we click on make private. And as you see here, the sign will be changed, or the symbol of public will be changed to private in that way here. So that's it. That's how you can make your playlist private, from public to private on the application of Spotify. So if you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.